my car just died.
While I was driving, and just died out. I don't know what it could be. Hold on, that didn't sound right.
I'm out here sick dying, and Chris dragged me out because why?
Well, I just want to get a new motor right now.
happened
How
to
can
your
you not
motor?
be excited? I don't know, it broke somehow. Probably because it got flooded with fuel and the bearing just spun, so.
So what are we doing?
So we're on our way to go get a new motor.
Hold up, I got a whole bag of snacks. I got fruit. I got weird. So they just sell like motors? I'm so confused.
Yeah, so this place is actually super cool. They're JDM West Coast. They just have a stock of motors, of JDM motors. We're gonna go check out a JDM K24A, the equivalent to the K24A2. It's an RBB3, so it's newer than my motor, has higher compression than my motor. This is just overall a better motor than what I have, and I'm so fucking excited. I can't contain my excitement, and I missed the turn because we're filming.
And how much is this motor gonna cost us?
Honestly, it's super cheap. Like, compared to me actually rebuilding the motor I have right now.
What's cheap, baby?
And it's only $900. We're here. Like a kid at a candy store. You know, we got in there and I was like, yo, can I film? And he's like, film what? And I was like, the engines, you know, like kind of walk around for my YouTube. And he's like, no, you know what? You can take your engine when you buy it, we'll clean it, and then you can take it home and film all you want. So there really wasn't much content I could get, but we got the engine, serial number and everything off a 07 to 08 TSX, K24 RBB3. Look at that. I was gonna have them delivered, but it wouldn't be until Friday. It's currently Tuesday today. Tomorrow's New Year, so they're closed. So I gotta go see if I could rent a truck or something, and yeah, come pick it up today. The adventure continues.
Off to Home Depot.
Oh yeah, I forgot Home Depot rented trucks, huh? Okay, we got a truck, got some straps. Let me see those. Straps, we're gonna go pick up the engine right now, and then, oh shit, it's locked. Uh-oh.
First things first.
Heater up.
Dude, I can't wait to get a truck.
Did you see him try to kill me? This is the start of a new era. Dude, this shit is so exciting. I'm so excited. This is so freaking exciting, bro. Like, oh my god. I'm scared, but like I'm excited, but like it's scary. It's a scary feeling because, well, we're doing a whole engine swap and I've never done this in my life, but we will learn a lot and at my own expense. Come on.
It's a day of spending money.
Yes, basic.
Damn, this is like legit. We're like real mechanics.
And then I need an engine stand.
So how much did you spend?
Like $600 extra. So it's starting to be like a $3,000 engine. We're here. Look how beautiful she is. I'm about to steal this fucking truck. That's what I'm gonna do. This thing badass, man. I just gotta figure out how to get it down. Just look at all the wires that just cut off. So just know, if you ever buy an engine like this, it's not gonna have any wires, because what they do at these junkyards, they just strip everything, they just cut shit off and send it out, so just be careful. Time to build this. So here's a cheers to new engines, new beginnings, more horsepower, faster cars. Cheers. It's weird sponsors, it's weird sponsors. So sick.
What did our neighbor just say?
He said he knows where all our money goes.
I'm embarrassed.
It's time! Watch out. If I die, I die, but I don't want you to die too. Okay, I got it home. It's on the engine stand. It's ready to be worked on. You guys don't understand my excitement right now. It's like I've been dreaming about this day for as long as I could like remember. I'm actually tearing up a bit a little. Like, I'm not even joking right now. This thing is like amazing. Like, it's like a dream come true, honestly. And like, I feel very blessed and happy to be able to like work on an engine. I know to a lot of you it's like whatever, but to me this is like everything. Dude, like, you don't understand. Like, a year ago I had nothing. I didn't even have my car. I was just like jobless, like sleeping on my mom's couch. And like, to get to the point where I'm living here and like being able to work on my car, being able to work on a completely different engine. It's not even the one that's in my car. It's just, it's mind-blowing to me, and it's so amazing. It's honestly a dream come true. Now it's time to tear it down. Be sure to watch that video. I don't really know what I'm doing, but